How to fix packet loss and unstable internet in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the 6 steps on how you can prevent packet loss and unstable internet connection in your Fortnite application in Windows. So if you're facing these issues, then I'll recommend you some of the ways using which you can resolve this. So the first method is that you simply go to the settings and from here type in network. Now once you'll type in, you will see this option that says view network connections of control panel. Simply click onto this and you will see this particular screen. Now depending upon your network that you use to play Fortnite, so for example if you use your Ethernet cable, so you can right click onto the Ethernet, or if you use your Wi-Fi to play, you can simply right click onto your Wi-Fi option. Now from here, click onto this properties option. Now this will open up a new tab, and from this particular tab, you will need to click onto this configure button right here. Once you will click onto the configure button, click onto this advanced option from here in this box. Now here are a lot of different settings that you can do or tweak, and by experimenting you will eventually find out the best settings according to your device, but I will show you some of the mandatory ones. So from here, if you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router, make sure that this value is set to auto. Similarly, if your router is a 5 GHz or a dual band one, make sure that for both of these options the value is set to auto. Then you have other options as well, like the preferred band. It should always be prefer 5G band. And also you can see these options as well, like wake on pattern match, it could be enabled. And also the transmit power level, it should be the highest. Then click onto the OK and you're all set. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.